Tinselfirs Christmas Magic presents Tinselfirs Tree of the Month, sparkly, shiny, colorful.
Rainbows. It's June, you know what that means. There's rainbows everywhere. So this month's Tree of the Month, brought to you by Tinselfirs, will be chock-a-pock full of rainbow tinsel. This time we're doing a DIY, make your own pointy tree with rainbow tinsel and the adorable Cindy Lou Who cow on top.
Tinselfirs Tree of the Month, brought to you by your favorite Christmas creatives.
Who's out there? Could it be Santa with my presents galore? Who's out there? Don't take 'em back. I don't want 'em no more. Who's out there? Could it be my lover who I want and adore? Who's out there? This Christmas, only you and no more. Look through the peephole, see who it is. Who is it? Who is it? If it's you, I traded my gifts to float on a cloud like this. Is it Santa? Is it you? At my door for a rendezvous. Look at the people, see who it is. At my door for Christmas. Who's out there? Could it be Santa with my presents galore? Who's out there? Take 'em back. I don't want 'em no more. Who's out there? Could it be my lover who I want and adore? Who's out there? This Christmas, only you and no more. Look through the peephole, see who it is. Who is it? Who is it? If it's you, it's a dream from Santa in the in-between. Is it Santa? Is it you? At my door for a rendezvous. Look at the people, see who it is. At my door this Christmas. Who's out there? Could it be Santa with my presents galore? Who's out there? Take 'em back. I don't want 'em no more. Who's out there? Could it be my lover who I want and adore? Who's out there? This Christmas, only you and no more. I trade in every gift to float on a cloud like this, swirling in and out of the in-between, like what twirling dances in a nutcracker mystery. Who's out there? Who's out there? Who's out there? Who's out there? Could it be my lover who I want and adore? Who's out there? This Christmas, only you and no more. I trade in every gift to float on a cloud like this, swirling in and out of the in-between, like what twirling dances in a nutcracker mystery. Who's out there? Who's out there?
Tinselfirs Christmas music.